Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to iFactioners. Learn Urdu Idioms and Proverbs, lesson number 2. Let's start. The first idiom is Aadha, teetar, Aadha, batair. Aadha means half and teetar is pheasant and batair is quail. So if we translate it literally, then it means half pheasant and half quail. So what does it mean? It means that, let's suppose I am a normal person and I try to do some kind of a fashion and I want to become a fashionable person. I don't consult with anyone. I go to the market and I buy stuff, clothing and stuff. And when I wear all those things, then I look ridiculous. I don't, I'm not looking a normal person as I was, and I'm not looking a fashionable person, but I'm just looking a joker. Then in that scenario, you can say Aadha teetar, Aadha batair. यानी कि it means half pheasant and half quail, that you are not even a pheasant and you are not even a quail. The next idiom is आग को दामन से ढांकना. It means to Aag is basically fire and daman is the lower part of your shirt and dhakna is cover. To cover the fire with the shirt. The literal meaning is to cover the fire with the shirt, and we use it when we are talking about a thing which we are trying to hide but it can't be hid. Try to hide a thing which is unhideable, which cannot be hid. Cannot be hide because everyone can see it. For example, let's suppose that I had a breakup and I'm very sad, but you can judge from my face that I am sad. In that case, you can say आग को दामन से ना ढको, या फिर आग को दामन से ना ढको, don't cover the fire with your shirt, means don't try to hide the thing which cannot be hid. So आग को दामन से ढांकना means to try to hide a thing which cannot be hidden, which we cannot hide, which cannot be hidden. So in that scenario, we can say आग को दामन से ढकना. We can also say आग को दामन से ढांपना. Both are correct. Then we have the third idiom, which is आग लगने पर कुआं खोदना. Now, if I try to translate it in English, then I can translate it as to try to dig a well when we have fire. So it means to try to do the things at the 11th hour. To try to do the things at that time when we have left with no time. It's too late now, and if I try to uh, study for an exam, for example, my exam is at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, and it's now 1 o'clock in the midnight, and I try to study. At that time you can say आग लगने पर कुआं खोदना. It means you are trying to study at the 11th hour. You are trying to cover the whole syllabus which cannot be covered because the time has already passed. Then we have another idiom in Urdu which is आज मरे कल दूसरा दिन. आज is today, mare is die, kal is tomorrow, dusra means second, din is day. So if I try to translate it, then I can say that died today and tomorrow is an other day. So what does it mean? It means that if something has happened today or in the recent times, then with the passage of time we will forget it because we will have other things to do. It means we forget things with time. So let's say now I failed that exam and today I'm very sad, but tomorrow I get normal and I'm happy. In that scenario you can say aaj mare kal dusra din, means today you are very sad, but tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow never dies. Another idiom in Urdu is आज kidher se chaand nikla. If we try to translate it, then we can translate this idiom as from where the moon has, from which direction the moon has appeared here, or from where the moon has appeared. Aaj means today, kidher where, say from, chaand is moon, nikla appeared. And we use this idiom in the scenarios where we see our friend after a long time. Then we say, wow, I haven't seen you for a long time. Or if you visit me after a long time, then I can ask, I haven't seen you for a long time. आज किधर से चांद निकला? Means, oh, if you have come to me after a long time, wow, we have met after a long time. So it means meeting after a long time. आज किधर से चांद निकला? I haven't seen you for a long time. The next idiom is आज किसका मुंह देखकर उठे थे? It means, if we try to translate it, then it means that whose face did you see or did I see after waking up? We use this idiom आज किसका मुंह देखकर उठे थे in the scenarios when our whole day is ruined. Bad things are happening to us. Then we say that we saw a face of an unlucky person, therefore my day is unlucky. So we say bad things are happening to me. आज किसका मुंह देखकर उठे थे? Or if you have seen your enemy and you don't want to meet them or meet her or him, then you can say yaar, he is coming. आज किसका मुंह देखकर उठे थे? It means today is an unlucky day. I'm not sure whose face did I see, and now all bad things are happening. The next idiom is Aankh ka andha, gaanth ka poora. Now, Aankh is an eye. Andha is a blind person. Gaunt is a knot, just like we knot our tie or we knot a rope. And poora means complete. So if we try to translate this idiom in English, so it's the literal translation, it's not the meaning. We can say blind from an eye, but can tie a full knot. And it means that the person is stupid, or the person is stupid or an idiot, but he does or he completes his work. But he does complete his work, he does his work, he does or completes the work. So if you see a friend and you think that he is stupid and you ask him for money, but he doesn't give you any money, and in that scenario, and even if he has money, he doesn't give the money to you, then in that scenario you can say Aankh ka andha, gaanth ka poora. Means he looks stupid, but he is not stupid. He completes his work. He is very clever. So ladies and gentlemen, this was our tutorial. If you have any questions or if you would like to leave a comments, then please use the comment section. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family members. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm Ifectioner and I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. Ifectioner.